Hey guys, it's Mark Lane. Wanted to bring you out to one of my houses. This is 7304 Southwest 15th. This house was actually a rental that we are fixing up and getting ready to sell. The tenants did not do all this to it. We actually had gotten in here and already started doing the demo and stuff. More importantly, I want to talk to you about subject and show you, essentially how to, 10x your business very, very quickly. See, so most marketers and stuff right now are out there teaching about marketing and stuff, and the marketing is what matters, and to a certain point that's true, but like every single industry and every single business has one thing it was called the big domino, that when it gets pushed down, it knocks everything else down. Okay, the big domino in our industry of real estate is the offer. Okay, if we're not making enough offers, we don't do enough deals. The more offers we make, the more deals we do. So it doesn't really matter whether it's marketing or whether you're going out and doing self-generated. Okay, the point is, either way, that you're getting a certain amount of offers out. So if you're at a point you're saying, man, like I'd really like to make some more money, I'd really like to do more deals, and I don't know, I don't know how to do that, you simply make more offers. Okay, when I have people that come to me and they are complaining about not doing enough deals, my first question is always, how many offers have you made? And the answer is usually, they're making a couple offers a month, right? If you want to 10x your business, get to where you're making 25 offers a day. And usually when people hear that, they can't hardly comprehend it, but 25 offers a day is not that big a deal. That can be done relatively easy. So again, it doesn't matter if you're marketing, it doesn't matter if it's off the MLS, it doesn't matter if where it's at, but you have to have enough offers out there and convert those offers. And when you do, it knocks everything else down, and that frees up your money, that frees up your profits to put back into marketing. That builds promise with your network, and you start to close more deals. Everything takes place when you make more offers. Okay, hope that makes sense, guys. If you would, please go ahead and like this, comment, let me know how I can help you. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. We're releasing new videos about 3 times a week, and want to keep helping you out, helping you get results. See you soon.